Hi, my name is Seville. I'm the director of the Stevenson Bio-MakerSpace. So we are the hub for engineering here at Penn. We've broken down the more traditional silos of electrical, chemical, mechanical engineering and have a space for all disciplines. We are very interdisciplinary.
So a lot of innovation I feel happens at the crossroads of multiple disciplines, and so having like a Bio-MakerSpace that gives you the functionalities of both a wet lab but also the functionalities of like a traditional electronics lab is extremely helpful in developing novel technologies, and so we're able to utilize that for our particular application. So one of the things that I think is really critical to innovation or developing anything novel is actually getting into a lab and actually experimenting with it, right? Because everything is a lot of iteration, it's a lot of trial and error, and so having a space to do that and be able to actually make those really early mistakes without any kind of issues or problems is so critical, and the bioengineering lab really provides that space to do that.
People come into our space and they're looking for equipment. They're wondering, where's all this stuff? We just see these empty spaces. What's going on here? And the thing is we don't emphasize equipment. We really emphasize the student. Students come to our space and they can do whatever they want, not just electrical, not just mechanical stuff, not just chemical stuff, not just biological stuff. They can do everything in that space.
Yeah, the lab, the Bio-MakerSpace more broadly, is open to everyone. It's open to a student that arrives first day on campus in their first year. It's available to master's students, to PhD students. We've had companies that were created in that space.
So our courses are really cool. They're quite unique. You won't see it in other departments, in other bioengineering departments. They've been published in academic journals. Our synthetic biology lab is quite cutting edge in that sense. We do a lab with cockroaches, which was covered a few years back by national news. Over the years, we've had a couple of startups launch from our lab by undergraduate students, and they were not from engineering actually. One was from Wharton, one was from biology, so it's been quite exciting. Two of those projects won the President's Innovation Prize. Another project launched from a senior design project, which was really cool.
The amounts of expertise and resources that this lab provides, especially with respect to student entrepreneurs, it really can't be overstated. And I can say with confidence that InstaHub would not exist in its current form without the help and the resources provided by the Stevenson Foundation Educational Lab.
Just over the years, we've kind of become a focal point for all students, and we really try to engage them both in person, and we encourage students to come in just to hang out and use the space for other things, whether it's homework, fixing their bicycle, stuff of that nature. And also, we've been really present in social media, trying to reach students where they are, and we've gotten a lot of good response from that. We are the Stevenson Foundation Bioengineering Lab and Bio-MakerSpace.